Okay, so in this video I'm going to walk through building the BusRaider version 1.6 for the RC2014 retro computer. The board and the components should appear in a bag like this. I've sent out a few of these recently. Let's just have a look what we have here. So probably easier to look at the component side of the board. The procedure for building is to start with the smallest and flattest components. That just makes it easier to use gravity to help hold the components in place. There also isn't currently an ESP32 in this set of parts, so I'll bring one of those in a moment. But what we can see is that there are a mix of surface mount, a small number of surface mount components, like the switches and this regulator here, and then a larger number of through-hole components, including all of the logic chips apart from this one, and things like the LED and so on. That switch actually doesn't belong here. So I'm going to put the first set of SMD components onto the board initially, so that will include this logic chip. This is actually an open drain chip that's used to pull down some of the control bus lines on the Z80, and I'll put the ESP32 in place as well. There's also an SMD capacitor there, and there's a very tiny, in this particular set of components, resistor which is used for the LED to control the current in the LED. So that's a lot tinier than it really ought to be, but that was the only one I had available. So I'll start putting those in place.